Jodolo e kaunti ma Nandi onyiso sirkal mondo omi ochul jopuonj manonono penj mar higa mokalo. Kotelnegi gi jodolo mag kanisa mag Orthodox giwacho ni ok en gima kare mar deko chudo bang' ka jopuonj notimo tijgi kaka owinjore. Ma biro bang' jopuonj buogo mar bago ng'anyo ka gibandho chudo maggi ma nyaka sani pok omigi nyaka ne ginon penj madongo ma pacho ka.
We have come to learn that the Ministry of Education have not paid the teachers, those who are marking the exams. And now we are about to again do the exams, and this is really going to cause a lot of conflict. The question is, what is the problem? Give to those teachers who mark the exam what is their due, so that we don't have this kind of conflict that arises every now and then. There should be a constant budget that allocates resources for those who are marking the exam. And we need our children to do the exams and get their exams marked on time, because we have heard that there might be some strike. We don't want to go that direction. We want our children to do the exams, get their papers marked, and we get the results as parents.